Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, celebrations of life each and every day. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD, speaking to you over the video. New York City School teacher here in the USA, who I am, author, writer of 22 books, university professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, and more in my 22 books. Yes, 22 you'll find worldwide at outskirtspress.com, Amazon, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. I'm inviting you to visit my two websites, and thank you also very much. In Tagalog, maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon po sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat. Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD-MSCD, na nagsasalita po sa likod ng video na ito. At matatagpuan po ninyo ang aking 22 aklat sa Amazon, sa outskirtspress.com, at sa lahat ng aklatan sa buong daigdig. At sa akin pong website, juanitagutierrez.com, juanitagutierrez.bscdmscd.com. In English, for those of you who are asking what BSCD-MSCD means, that is Bachelor of Science in Education. I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. MSCD, Master of Science in Education, I graduated at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. And how are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy, and safe. 12 days before Christmas, and every day is a celebration. We celebrate the birth of Christ in ourselves. The word Christ means unconditional love. This is not about religion but consciousness, but we are all children of one God, Father, Mother God, indeed. And welcome once again to our Speak Tagalog language learning lesson. Speak Tagalog is my first book, by the way, among my 22 books, if I could mention. And today, we're going to study some of the kinds of pronouns. In Tagalog, uri, kinds, ng, of, panghalip, pronoun. I will repeat. Kinds of pronouns. Kinds in Tagalog, uri, of, ng, pronouns, panghalip, panghalip. First syllable pang, second syllable ha, third syllable lip. The accent is in the third syllable. Panghalip, panghalip, panghalip. That's pronoun in English. And we have pamatlig, pamatlig. The first kind of pronoun, uri ng panghalip, is pamatlig. First syllable pa, second syllable mat, third syllable lig. The accent is in the third syllable lig. Pamatlig, pamatlig, pamatlig. And that in English is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is in Tagalog pamatlig, pamatlig. Ano ang pamatlig? What is relative pronoun? In Tagalog, nag-uugnay ng dalawang salita. Relative pronoun connects two words. Relative pronoun connects two words. Example in Tagalog, halimbawa, uri ng panghalip, pamatlig. Halimbawa, example, na. In English, already. Siya ay paparito na. Siya ay paparito na. Na means already. She is coming now. He or she is coming now. He or she, in Tagalog, siya. Siya ay paparito na. In English, he or she is coming now. Nang, another example of pamatlig. Isang halimbawa ng pamatlig in Tagalog. Nang, that means already in English. Nang in Tagalog, that means already in English. Example, halimbawa, wala siyang wala siya nang dumating siya. Nang, that means already. Let's review kinds of pronouns, and one of them is pamatlig, relative pronoun. In English, uri kinds ng of panghalip pronouns. Pamatlig. Ano ang pamatlig? What is relative pronoun in English? In Tagalog, nag-uugnay ng dalawang salita. In English, it connects two words. Halimbawa, example, na. In Tagalog, in English, already. Siya. Example, halimbawa, siya ay paparito na. He or she is coming now. Siya, in English, he or she, the same word with siya. Another example of pamatlig, a relative pronoun in Tagalog, pamatlig, uri ng panghalip, is nang, nang, nang. Already in English. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, wala siya nang dumating siya. She wasn't there when she arrived. Nang, already, na. These are uri ng panghalip, pamatlig, halimbawa na, already, nang, already. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in Tagalog. Marami pong salamat. Magkita uli po tayo. And I would like to thank all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. See you all again, and blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. Have a wonderful day always. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez in Tagalog. Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. In English, this is Miss Gutierrez, the author, writer of Speak Tagalog, and all my 22 books you'll find worldwide. I will repeat if you would please. Amazon, all online stores or bookstores, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Loop in and keep learning.